Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have two new interesting games. First is Amneron's Legacy, a classic dark fantasy RPG where you come together as heroes to save the realm from darkness while uncovering what happened to the heroes of old. At second, we have Misdirector, a noir horror about a desperate actress who ends up at a shady audition in a mansion and realizes the director has no intention of letting her leave from there alive. Next, we have an MV plugin by RT Rambles that allows us to run common events when specific actors join the party. Some animated emoticon balloons by Just Halliger. And lastly, 67 visual novel backgrounds by Potato Master. That is all for today. My purpose with mentioning game releases on this news is not to get you to download and play them. I know you are a developer now and may not have time to play games as much. So instead, I mention only good quality finished games to encourage you to finish good quality games yourself. With that said, go back to game making.